Okay, so last lecture we have started with the Polish notations. So what are the different types of Polish notations? Can anybody summarize? Okay, just let me know what is the syntax for prefix notation. We have seen Polish notations. There are three different types of Polish notations. First one is prefix, then infix, and postfix. So what is the syntax for a prefix notation?
Plus AB.
Plus AB, that is operator, then operand 1, operand 2. After that, we have seen infix notation. So for this infix notation, syntax is operand 1, operator, and then operand 2. And last one was postfix expression. So for this, operand 1, operand 2, and then operator. So these are three different types of Polish notations. After that, we had seen algorithm for conversion of infix into postfix form. And based on that, we had solved one example. So this was the example. A plus B star C minus B slash E star H. Okay, so this is given infix notation or infix expression, and we have to convert this one into postfix form. So first of all, what was the first step of that algorithm? We have to scan this given expression from left to right. Okay, that's why I have given here arrow that is starting from left side and ends at right side. So first of all, our stack is empty. So this is the notation to represent stack is empty. You can use any notation. Now here we have to scan this expression from left to right. So check which one is the first symbol. So here A is the first symbol. So again we have to think whether A is operand or operator. If it is operand, then we can write directly into postfix form. Otherwise, if it is an operator, then we have to push this onto stack. Now A is an operand. That's why we have to write directly into postfix form. So again, we have seen how to define rank for any symbol and rank for any operator. So what is the rank for any symbol? Last lecture we have seen how to find rank for given expression. Rank for symbol is, and that symbol can be anything like A, B, C, D, etc.
1 plus 1.
Yes, plus 1. And rank for operator is minus 1. Now here A, this is an operand, that's why we have written rank as 1. Okay. Now we have done processing with first element, that is with respect to A. Now move to the next element, and that is plus operator. So this is an operator, that's why we have to push this onto stack. Okay. Now initially stack was empty, now this stack is containing plus operator. So that is represented here. First step, stack is empty. Now at this second step, we have added this plus operator onto stack. Okay. So this is the stack representation. Now again this postfix form remains same, that is containing A only, and its rank is 1. Now next one is symbol B. Okay. Again B, this is an operand, that's why we have to write B directly into postfix form. So after A, we have to write B. So its rank is 1 plus 1, that is equals to 2. and our stack remains same, and that is containing only plus operator. Now next one is star symbol. So again this one is an operator, that's why we have to push this onto stack. Now while pushing this star, we have to check. Initially our stack was containing plus, now star is placed onto stack. Now this star is called as top of the stack because this is the topmost element of that stack. Now check whether star is having highest priority, then plus is. This is correct. That's why we can place this star above plus. But if this sequence is reversed, suppose आता जर तुमचा स्टार प्लसच्या ठिकाणी असेल आणि प्लस जर स्टारच्या ठिकाणी असेल तर काय होईल? इट्स मीनिंग इज दॅट प्लस इज हॅव्हिंग हायेस्ट प्रायोरिटी दॅन स्टार. But this is not correct. In that case, it is required to pop star out of stack and then only you can place plus. But here, this sequence is correct. That is, star is having highest priority than this plus operator. That's why we can keep this stack as plus and star. It is fine. Okay. Again, this next one, that is postfix and ranks remains same. Next one is C, symbol C. So again, this one is an operand. So where we have to write? We can directly write it onto postfix form. So your stack remains same and this one as A, B, C. Okay. New character or new symbol C is added here in postfix form. So again check, what is the rank? 1 plus 1 plus 1 and that is equals to 3. Okay. Now next symbol is minus. So minus, this is an operand. Operator. That's why we have to push this onto stack. Now check, our stack is currently containing two operators, that is plus and star, and next operator to be pushed is minus operator. So now check what happens if we place minus directly onto stack. So can you tell me what we should do here? आपण मायनस डायरेक्टली प्लेस करू शकतो का स्टॅक मध्ये? What steps are required? Yes. Who will explain? काय करावं लागेल? Now currently our stack is containing plus and star operator. Okay, and this incoming operator is minus operator. So what we have to do? Again we have to check priority of this minus and star operator. We have to compare it. Now star is having highest priority than this minus operator. So we cannot place this minus operator over star. That's why it is required to pop star as well as plus out of stack and then only we can place minus operator onto stack. That's why this is represented here. Now stack is containing minus operator and out of stack we have written star and plus. So whatever operators we have popped out of stack, we have to write it into postfix form. That's why in this step we have written, now your stack is containing minus operator and whatever operators we have popped, that is star and plus, we have written in postfix form. So now check what is the rank for this expression. 1, 2, 3, 3 minus 2, it is equals to 1. So next one, next character is D. So D, this is an operand. That's why we have to write this directly into postfix form. That's why D is written here and your stack remains same. So again find rank of this expression as 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 minus 2, that is equals to 2. Now next character is division operator. So again we have to push this onto stack as this is an operand. Sorry, this is an operator. So now stack is containing minus operator and next operator is division operator. So here priority of division is greater than this minus operator. That's why we can directly push this minus division operator onto stack. So here they have given it and your postfix form and rank remains same. Now next character is E, symbol E. So again this is an operand, that's why we have to write it into postfix form. So after D we can place E. So again check for rank 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 minus 2 it is 3. Next one is star. So this is an operator, that's why we have to push this onto stack. But now check, our stack is currently containing minus and division operator and next incoming operator is multiplication operator. But here priority of both multiplication and division are same. That's why we cannot push directly this multiplication operator on stack. So what is required? We need to pop this division operator out of stack and then only we can push this multiplication operator onto stack. So your stack is containing minus and multiplication and whatever symbol or whatever operator we have popped, that is division operator, we have to write it into postfix form and that we have written here. So again, rank for this expression is 2. And just one character is remaining, that is H. So that is written here. Again H, this is an operand, that's why we have to write it into postfix form. Now here we have reached at end of expression. Now check whether our stack is empty. If not, whatever elements are there, all we have to pop and we have to write it into postfix form. So here stack is still containing minus and star operator, that's why we have to pop it out and we have to write it into postfix form. That's why after H we have written star and minus. This sequence must be star and minus. It is not minus and star because star will be at top of the stack. That's why that symbol will be popped first and then minus. So this sequence should be like star minus. Now check what is the rank for this expression. So number of symbols are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6 minus 5 it is 1. So here we have converted this infix expression into postfix form and rank of this expression is 1. That's why we can say that this is a well-formed formula. So whatever example we have seen last lecture, same example I have repeated here. So just let me know, have you understood this? Because next example you have to solve. Hello? समझ का example?
Ma'am? Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So now for this next example. Okay, again this example is quite lengthy. I will explain. Hereafter, whatever examples are there, you have to try. Okay. Again, same algorithm we have to apply for this second example. So same procedure, we have to scan this expression from left to right. Okay. So columns are same, character scan, content of stack, postfix or reverse polish expression and rank. So initially our stack is empty, that's why I have written here this symbol to represent stack is empty. Now start from left to right. So first symbol is opening bracket. So we have to push this onto stack. So opening bracket is written here. Postfix is still empty. Rank is also not there. That's why I have given there dash. Now next symbol is A. So A, this is an operand. That's why we have to write it into postfix form. So A is written here. Our stack is just containing opening bracket and rank for this expression is 1 because there is only one symbol, that is A. Now next character is plus. So plus, this is an operator. That's why we have to push it onto stack. So now stack is containing opening bracket and plus symbol. Okay, and postfix and rank remain same. Now next one is B. So B, again this is an operand. That's why we have to write this into postfix form. So now postfix will contain A, B. So rank for this one is 1 plus 1, that is equals to 2. Now next character is exponential symbol, that is here. Now we have to push this onto stack. Now stack is currently containing this plus operator. Now next one is exponential. As exponential is having highest priority, we can place this above plus. आता इथे exponential ची priority जास्त आहे, त्यामुळे आपण directly तो push करू शकतो stack वर. That's why I have written here plus and exponential. Then rank and postfix will remain same. Next one is C. That is next character is C. Again, this is an operand. That's why I can write directly into postfix form as A, B, C. And rank for this one is 3. Again, contents of stack remain same. Now, next character to be scanned is exponential. So now check, our stack is currently containing plus and exponential, and next operator to be pushed is again exponential. So it is not possible to place exponential over exponential. That's why it is required to pop one exponential out of stack, and that is written here. Then only we can place this new exponential onto stack. That's why now currently stack is containing opening bracket plus and exponential, and your postfix form is ABC exponential. So rank is 3 minus 1, and that is equals to 2. So have you understood why we have taken this exponential out of stack? Because this is very important step. Yes. Have you got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, fine. Now, next symbol is D. So again, D, this is an operand. That's why we can directly place it into postfix form. Now, D is written here. Again, check what is the rank. 4 minus 1, and that is equals to 3. Now, next one is closing bracket. So there is one important rule for this closing bracket. So whenever any closing bracket encounters, whatever is in between opening bracket and closing bracket, we have to pop it out. Now check, this is opening bracket and this is closing bracket. So if you push this closing bracket onto stack, your opening bracket and closing bracket will contain two operators, that is plus and exponential. That's why we have to take this exponential and plus out of stack. Now your stack is empty, and rank for this expression is 1. म्हणजे काय होतं, सपोज तुमच्या दिलेल्या एक्सप्रेशन मध्ये ओपनिंग आणि क्लोजिंग ब्रॅकेट आहे. ओपनिंग ब्रॅकेट असेल, आपण ते केलं स्टॅक मध्ये पुश केली. जेव्हा क्लोजिंग ब्रॅकेट येणार आहे तेव्हा काय करायचं, व्हॉट एव्हर सिम्बॉल्स आर देअर इन बिटवीन ओपनिंग अँड क्लोजिंग ब्रॅकेट, all symbols we have to pop out of stack and we have to write it into postfix form. That's why now here opening bracket plus exponential, and this one is a closing bracket. So in between this opening and closing bracket, two operators are there, plus and exponential. So once closing bracket is encountered, we have to take this exponential and plus out of stack, and we have to write it into postfix form. So this is very important rule with respect to closing bracket. Now our stack is empty. Now next symbol is multiplication. So this is an operator, that's why we can push directly onto stack, and remaining, that is postfix form rank, will remain same. Now next character is opening bracket. So we have to push this onto stack. So star, and after star, opening bracket is there. Next symbol is E. So E, this is an operand, that's why we have to write it into postfix form. So that is written here, and rank for this expression is 2. Next symbol is plus. So plus, this is an operator, that's why we have to place this onto stack. So star, opening bracket, plus, these are the contents of stack, and rest of things remain same. Now next symbol is F. So F, this is an operand, that's why we have to write this into postfix form directly. Now check for rank of this expression. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 minus 1, 2, 3. That's why its rank is 3. Now next symbol is division. So this is an operator, that's why we have to push it onto stack. And priority of this division is greater than addition, so we can directly place this division over addition, and that is written over here. And rest of things are same. Now next character is D. Okay. So D, this is an operand, that's why we can directly write it into postfix form. So D is written over here, and rank for this expression is 3. Now this last symbol is closing bracket. So what is the rule for this closing bracket? काय करावं लागतं क्लोजिंग ब्रॅकेट आल्यावर? Just now we have discussed this rule. Whenever there is any closing bracket, what we have to do? Is so what we have to do? So whenever there is any closing bracket, whatever symbols are there in between opening and closing bracket, that is, इथे ओपनिंग ब्रॅकेट आहे, हे क्लोजिंग ब्रॅकेट आहे. जर तुम्ही पुश केलं स्टॅक मध्ये, तर हे ओपनिंग असणार आहे, इथं क्लोजिंग असणार आहे. तर ओपनिंग आणि क्लोजिंग ब्रॅकेटच्या मध्ये जेवढे सिम्बॉल आहेत ते सगळे पॉप करायचे. That's why we have popped here division and addition. Now your stack is just containing multiplication operator. Now at the end we have to make stack empty. That's why we have to pop this stack out of stack and write it into postfix form. So this is the postfix form for given expression, and rank for this one is 1, as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 operands are there, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 operators are there. So 7 minus 6, it is equals to 1. So rank of this expression is 1. That's why this is a well-formed formula. So likewise, you have to solve examples. Just let me know, have you understood this problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now take down this example. This one. Take time of 10 minutes and try to solve this example. You have to convert this given infix into postfix form. So opening bracket A plus again opening bracket B star C closing bracket minus opening bracket D division E closing bracket. So this is given in fixed expression and you have to convert this into postfix form. So take time of 10 minutes and solve this. Whatever rules I have seen with respect to opening and closing bracket, you have to apply that rule here. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Make 4 columns as symbol stand, content of stack, reverse polish or postfix and rank. Hello. Have you solved it? Have you solved it? So let us see the solution for this problem. So first symbol is opening bracket. We have to push this onto stack, and here this is an opening bracket. Reverse polish and rank remains empty. Next one is again there opening bracket that we have pushed here. Next one is symbol A. So A we have to write it into postfix form. So stack is containing two opening brackets and stack is postfix form is containing symbol A, and rank for this expression is 1. So next one is plus. This is an operator, that's why we have to push it onto stack. So now stack is containing two opening brackets and symbol is given as plus. And reverse polish or postfix and rank remains same. Now next character is again it is opening bracket. So again we have to push this onto stack. So both opening brackets plus and again opening bracket. So these are the contents of stack. Rank and postfix form remains same. Next character is B. B it is an operand. That's why we have to write it into postfix form. Now your postfix form is containing two symbols as A and B. That's why its rank is 2. Now next symbol is multiplication. This is an operator, so we have to push it onto stack. Now these two are opening brackets, then plus again opening bracket and star. So here again postfix and rank remains same. Next character is C, and we have to write it into postfix form as ABC, and rank is 3. Now next symbol is closing bracket. So what we have seen with respect to this closing bracket, so whenever there is any closing bracket, whatever is in between opening and closing bracket. Now here this one is an opening bracket, this one is a closing bracket. So whatever is in between, and that is star operator. So we have to pop it and we have to write it into postfix form. That's why postfix form is ABC star, and rank for this expression is 2. Now our stack is containing double opening bracket and plus. Now again the next character is closing bracket. So again same procedure we have to apply. When closing bracket is encountered, whatever in between opening and closing bracket, and here that operator is plus operator. So we have to copy it and we have to write it into postfix form. That's why postfix form is ABC star plus, and its rank is 1. Now currently our stack is just containing opening bracket. Now next symbol is minus. So this is an operator. That's why we have to push it onto stack. So stack is containing opening bracket and minus, and rest of things remain same. Now next character is again opening bracket. So we have to push it onto stack. So opening bracket minus opening bracket. So these are the contents of stack, and remaining things remains same. Now next character is B. So B, it is an operand. That's why we have to write it into postfix form. So content of postfix form ABC star plus B. So rank for this expression 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 minus 2, and that is equals to 2. Now next character is division operator. So the division operator we have written here. This is an operator, so we have to push it onto stack. So current stack contents are opening bracket minus opening bracket division, and postfix form and rank remain same. Now next symbol is E. So E, this is an operand, so we have to write it into postfix form, and that is written over here, and rank for this expression is 3. Now next character is closing bracket. So again same rule we have to apply. Whenever there is any closing bracket, whatever in between opening and closing bracket, that is here, it is a division operator. So we have to pop it and we have to write it into postfix form. So rank for this expression is 2. And again last character is closing bracket. So again when there is any closing bracket, whatever in between opening bracket and closing bracket, that is minus operator, we have to pop and we have to write it into postfix form. Now our stack is empty, so we can stop here. And this is the expression we got for this given expression. So this is a postfix expression, and rank for this expression is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 minus 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 minus 4, that is equals to 1. So we can say that this is a well-formed formula, and this expression has postfix form of given infix. So likewise we can solve example based on it. Have you understood? समझने का है problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next lecture, I will give you minimum 10 problems based on this conversion. So be prepared. Next lecture, we are going to solve example. At that time, you have to explain how you have solved that example. Okay. Because procedure is same. Same procedure you have to apply. Just we will see this next example. Evaluate value of 10, 5, 3, 1 multiplication minus 14 plus plus. So this is given expression, and we have to find what is the value for this expression with the help of stack. Okay. So I have represented that example in another way. Here same example is given. Initially our stack is empty, and that is represented here, that is stack is empty. So first symbol or first character is, or first number is 10. So we have to push that number onto stack. Okay. Now next number is 5. So above 10 we have written here 5. Now next number is 3. So now content next number is 1. So we have to write this one above 3. The contents of stack are 1, 3, 5, 10. Okay, up till now this is fine. So whatever numbers were there, we have pushed all the numbers onto stack. But what happens when there is any operator? So once any operator is encountered, we have to take two topmost operators operands from stack, and we have to apply that operator on those two operands. So here first operand, that is topmost operand, is 1, next topmost operand is 3. So this multiplication should be applied to these two numbers in this sequence. Second last number first, then last number. So 3 into 1. This is the correct sequence. 3 into 1, 3. So whatever result we got, we have to push it onto stack. So 5, 10, these are present in stack, and now after multiplication operation, we got result as 3, and that result we have pushed onto stack. Now contents of stack 3, 5 and 10. Okay. Now next operator is minus operator. So again same procedure. Once any operator is encountered, pop to topmost 11th or operand and apply that operator on those two operands. In this 5 minus 3, it is 2. So this result we have to push onto stack. So 2 and 10, these are the contents of stack. Now next one is 14. So 14, this is a number, that's why we have to push it onto stack. So contents of stack 14, 2 and 10. Next symbol is plus. So plus, this is an operator. So again same procedure we have to apply. 2 plus 14. We have to apply this addition over these two elements. 2 plus 14, 16. So that result we have to push it onto stack. And again last operator is plus operator. So again 10 plus 16, that is equals to 26. And at the end your stack is again empty. So we can stop here. We can say that we got value for this given expression as 26. So in this way, again we can evaluate any expression. Have we understood this procedure? काय केलं समजलं का?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So again, these kind of problems we have to solve. We will see those problems next lecture. Give me presenting. Roll number 1.
Yes, ma'am.
2. Roll number 2. 3.
Yes, ma'am.
4.
Present, ma'am.
5. Roll number 5. 6.
Present, ma'am.
7. 8.
Present, ma'am.
9.
Present, ma'am.
10.
Present, ma'am.
11.
Present, ma'am.
12.
Yes, ma'am.
13.
Yes, ma'am.
14.
Present, ma'am.
15.
Hello, ma'am.
16.
Present, ma'am.
17.
Present, ma'am.
18.
Present, ma'am.
19.
Present, ma'am.
20.
Present, ma'am.
21. 22.
Present, ma'am.
23. 24.
Present, ma'am.
25.
Yes, ma'am.
26.
Yes, ma'am.
27.
Present, ma'am.
28, 29,
Yes, ma'am.
30,
Present, ma'am.
31,
Present, ma'am.
32,
Present, ma'am.
33,
Present, ma'am.
34, 35, 36,
Present, ma'am.
37,
Present.
38,
Present, ma'am.
39,
Present, ma'am.
40,
Present, ma'am.
41, 41, 42,
Yes, ma'am.
43,
Present, ma'am.
44,
Present, ma'am.
45,
Yes, ma'am.
47,
Madam, 46.
46, okay. 47, 48,
Yes, madam.
49, 50,
Present, ma'am.
okay, 51,
Present, ma'am.
52, 53, 54,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, 55,
Yes, ma'am.
56,
Yes, ma'am.
57,
Yes, ma'am.
58, okay,
Yes, ma'am.
58,
Yes, ma'am.
59, 59, okay, 59 is absent, 60,
Yes, ma'am.
61,
Yes, ma'am.
62,
Present, ma'am.
63,
Present, ma'am.
64, 65, 66,
Present, ma'am.
67,
Present, ma'am.
68,
Yes, ma'am.
69, 70. Check for absent numbers. Roll number 2, 5, 7,
Hello.
21.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
2 is present, ma'am.
Okay. 5, 7, 21, 23, 28, 34, 35, 41, 47, 52, 53, 59, 64, 65, 69, and 70.
Ma'am, 35 present.
Okay. Over.